Hey, what's up? I'm Russ. This is the one, the only, often imitated, never duplicated, veteran owned and operated Stashing Worthy Acorns, a subsidiary of Dapper Dividends. This is just some silly little thing I'm doing, experiment in dollar cost averaging, where I'm putting $5 into the Stash Worthy Bonds and Acorns app every month, no questions asked, building those strong habits, because ultimately the habit is more important than the money that you're putting in. And I'm demonstrating that here for you every week. I put $50 into all three platforms at the same time, and we're just dollar cost averaging in because we're going to overcome the two emotions that plague investors, which is fear and greed. It's fear that usually keeps you out, and it's greed that usually keeps you in. But we're not worrying about that. We're staying in. We're invested in quality companies that are paying dividends, and even an extension of Acorns is ETFs, and Worthy Bonds is bonds. So that's what we're doing. And just take a second here. It's not going to cost you anything. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you really want to show me some love. And I'm going to show you what's going on with the three portfolios right now. This week I did put money into the one, the only Apple. Just barely beat out J&J for the lowest of the three positions, so no questions asked. I got $5. I got 5 on it, going right into Apple. Yeah, baby. That's what we're doing around here. $248.79 at $5 a week on top of $50. Look how you've grown, my son. $48.79. $200 invested. That's a return of $48.79. Apple is at $84. I'm getting close on getting a full share of Apple. As you can see, I am almost at 3/4 of a share. We're getting there. So look how easy, quick, and beautiful that is. We're almost at $250 inside of Stash. That's right. So I did a video, as you can click on it right here. Worthy Pure Capital 2 is now done and closed. They sold their $50 million worth of bonds, and they are opening up Worthy Community Bonds. Works exactly the same way, with the only benefit is they are perpetual. They do not have a 36-month expiration date, so you get to keep those as long as you would like. In Worthy Pure Capital 1, I got right in on the tail end of that offering, so I only have $51.46, which is $1.46 of interest. And Worthy Pure Capital 2, which is now closed. I'm not going to be able to put any more of my bonds in, but it will keep accruing interest in both of these, and that is 7 days a week, which is at 2.25 cents per day, every day, 7 days a week. And that will keep compounding. You do see my bonds jump from 14 to 16 as the last iteration of bonds went through. And in our big account from Worthy Bonds, where I moved $7,000 over, that has now gained us $122.79 of interest, and that's on 723 bonds, which is currently paying us $1.02 a day every day, 7 days a week. I love it that I'm getting that 5% interest on $122.79 has been paid out to us already. Very solid, very happy with Worthy Bonds. No qualms whatsoever. As you can see, they go in easy peasy. Worthy Bonds. And a very good evening to you too, Acorns, which Acorns is at $244.38 for a overall gain of $32.38. That has also worked very well. You can scroll down and see exactly what I am invested in as what they consider their aggressive portfolio. And check this out. October 2nd, I didn't show you last week, I got 53 cents of dividends. So you still get dividends paid inside of Acorns. My only problem with Acorns is that I'm paying Acorns to pay Vanguard and BlackRock to hold ETFs, when I could just invest in those ETFs through Robinhood or Schwab or wherever and skip Acorns altogether. But if Acorns, you like the roundups, they help you save, God bless you. Now the bar chart just up and to the right, very easy Very nice to see that money just keeps going up, keep climbing, reinvest in those dividends, dollar cost averaging consistently, and you can see that the process, the habit is more important than the money. You got to just keep putting it in, and it's just as easy as that to make that bank. All right, thank you for watching. Please do me a big favor. Hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you follow me on Twitter at RustyRam78, I also have a podcast called Dapper Dividends that I do every Tuesday and every Friday. And we also have a website, dapperdividends.com. And now the disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor. This is not financial advice. These are just my thoughts and opinions shared for fun and entertainment. If you're going to put any money into the market, please do your own due diligence and speak with a fiduciary. Check out another video, and I will talk to you guys later.